Welcome to this video learning session. When you complete the session, you will be able to calculate a project's return on investment, or ROI for short. In this session, you'll learn what return on investment is and why it is important, how to calculate ROI, and how you can use Microsoft Excel to analyze ROI. Return on investment compares the total costs of a project to the total benefits generated by the project. The project's costs represent the investment, and the benefits represent the return on that investment. ROI is expressed as a percentage, like interest you would get from a bank, or profit you might earn if you invest money. To calculate ROI, you use a simple formula. ROI equals total benefits minus total costs divided by total costs. Now we'll use some actual numbers. Suppose a project has total benefits of $10,000 and total costs of $8,000. Let's do the math. 10,000 minus 8,000 is 2,000. And 2,000 divided by 8,000 is 0.25. So the ROI is 25%. 25% looks good. But that's the total return over the project's useful life. So if it takes 6 years of operation to earn 25%, that's only about 4% per year. Here is a table that shows costs and benefits. To calculate ROI, we need to focus on cumulative costs and benefits. At the end of the project's useful life, we have invested a total of $181,000 in costs and received a total return of $213,000 in benefits. When we plug those numbers into our ROI formula and do the math, we see that ROI is almost 18%. Again, that's over a 6-year period, so the average return is a little less than 3% per year. Is that good or not? The answer is, it depends. ROI is only one of many factors that managers must consider when evaluating IT projects. Like any tool, ROI has pros and cons. ROI does consider costs and benefits over the entire useful life of the project, not just the payback period. But ROI doesn't consider the timing of those costs and benefits. For example, if two projects have the same total costs and benefits during their useful life, they will have the same ROI. However, suppose the first project has evenly spaced costs and benefits, while the second project has most costs up front and most benefits near the end. Although they might have the same ROI, the second project would be less attractive because of the timing. In another session, you'll learn how the timing of costs and benefits affects the value of a project. In Part 3, you'll learn how a spreadsheet such as Microsoft Excel can help you analyze ROI. A spreadsheet makes it easy to calculate ROI. We've already entered the estimated costs and benefits for each year and added columns for cumulative costs and benefits with the totals highlighted in red. The spreadsheet shows that over a 6-year period, we will invest $181,000 in order to receive a return of $213,000. Now we'll enter a formula to calculate ROI in cell E13. We'll take the total benefits in cell E11 and subtract the total costs in cell C11 to get the net benefit, which is total benefits minus total costs. Now, to get the percentage return on investment, the formula must divide the net benefits by the total costs. So the ROI formula is the quantity E11 minus C11 divided by C11. The result is a 17.7% ROI over the 6-year period. This screen shows the ROI formula more clearly. In this session, you learned what return on investment, ROI, is and why it is important, how to calculate ROI, and how to use Microsoft Excel to analyze ROI. For more information, you can refer to the textbook or your student study tool. Now it's your turn to apply your skills and check your work. For background information, tasks to complete, and sample answers, go to the Management Information Systems CourseMate at www.cengagebrain.com. Select this text and navigate to the video learning sessions. Thanks for attending this video learning session.